Hi Nick, this is Josh out at Encore Mustang Parts again. Just before I crate this hood, I tried to buff it. I have buffed like 5 things in my entire life, so it doesn't look that shiny. I did wax it after that, but I wanted to see if there were any dimples or flaws or dings or dents or anything like that in this hood, and of course a glare would accentuate that. I don't really see any of any consequence. I know you said that you do not want Bondo on this hood. Don't think you'll have to put any Bondo for dents, creases, bends, anything like that. I think I see one small ding or two, but they are so minute they're even hard to show. The only flaws I would say with this hood is, again, that it was a new old stock replacement, so it doesn't have the maybe Ford quality paint on it, and anywhere a rock touched this hood, it chipped the paint. The edges are very thin on paint. I tried to see, there was like one little ding right up in there. Having trouble finding any more, which I know is a good thing. And again, I'll show you the bottom. Just absolutely perfect down here. No bubbles of rust, surface rust. Obviously it would show any damage from the bottom out. You'd see scratch, oops, I got one hand, but you'd see scratched off paint or anything like that. There's that new Ford marking. Corners aren't folded. I mean, it really is about as nice a used hood as I think anybody anywhere can provide. I hope this is showing up. Come backside here, but I mean, it's really clean. So it looks like they tried to put a bra on it later on. But this is kind of the final inspection. I don't know if you have any more questions, but I am going to start packaging this up as soon as I get your okay on this. The crate's basically done. Had some wet and freezing weather this week, so I didn't get as far with that as I wanted. Oh, here's one little ding on the inside of the hood. You can see that right there. Maybe it hit the battery or something when it closed. I don't know. There's a couple scratches of paint right there, but it didn't hit the exterior skin. I'm probably being overly careful here because I know you said you probably won't unbox this either ever or until you have an issue with what you got, but I really think it's the best I can provide. And it's, again, not just a used hood, it's a new used hood, so it's going to have lower miles, lower car washes, lower everything than any other used hood of a similar age. Just lots and lots of rock chips up here in the front, but it's just all on the surface. So if you have any other questions, let me know. If not, shoot me a thumbs up or an A-OK, and this and the 2 pieces of glass will get closed up in that crate and might even go out one day if I'm lucky. That's it. Thanks again for your business and being so very patient, and I will talk to you soon.